Everyone loves a good sea monster story, especially when they're true. Welcome back, I'm here. And today we'll be taking a look at some prehistoric sea monsters that ruled the ancient oceans. The Basilosaurus. The name Basilosaurus means king lizard. And this 55-foot ancient whale monster was indeed a king in its own right. This gigantic creature had a massive head with a very long snout, much like a crocodile. Its jaws were also lined with many conical teeth, which were perfect for catching fish. Despite being called the devil lizard, it wasn't actually a reptile. It was one of the most famous creatures to ever inhabit the Earth's oceans, and is often depicted in works of art and literature. It had a very distinctive appearance with a very long neck, 4 paddle-shaped flippers, and a very small head. This creature could grow up to 33 feet long and was perfectly adapted for swimming. Plesiosaurs are thought to have fed on fish, squid, and other marine animals. They were also capable of giving birth to live young, unlike most reptiles, which lay eggs. The Plesiosaurus became extinct around 66 million years ago, when an asteroid is believed to have wiped out the dinosaurs. It was in fact a marine dinosaur, or Ichthyosaur. Ichthyosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that adapted to life in the water. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. And many of them developed fish-like bodies with powerful tails and streamlined heads. The actual diet of the Dactyluros remains a mystery, but because of its large teeth and jaws, it's believed that this dinosaur ate other marine animals. Its fossils have been found in Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay, with the first fossil being discovered in 1914. The Dactyluros was about 52 feet long and perfectly adapted for hunting prey in the water. Its eyes were huge and set high on its head, giving it good visibility. Its neck was also very flexible, allowing it to strike with lightning speed. Its size and predatory nature meant that the Basilosaurus was an apex predator, feeding on pretty much anything it wanted. It also likely used echolocation to find prey in the dark depths. It lived between 41 and 38 million years ago and was one of the largest known creatures to ever exist, dwarfing the biggest dinosaurs. There have been several fossils found in both Europe and North America. One fossil found in Alabama is the largest of them all. At 46 feet long, this particular specimen is believed to be the largest animal that has ever existed, even larger than blue whales. The megalodon. The megalodon needs no introduction. This massive shark had a huge set of jaws that could grow up to 7 feet in length. These jaws were lined with over 3,000 serrated teeth, each as long as a human hand. With such large jaws, the megalodon could eat almost anything it wanted. It likely fed on schools of fish, but also hunted other marine mammals such as dolphins and whales. The shark itself was around 60 to 70 feet long and weighed over 100 tons. It swam around the world's oceans from the Arctic to the Antarctic and was the top predator in the ocean. Its reign ended around 2 million years ago when its population mysteriously crashed due to unknown reasons. Some scientists say that the change in climate may have played a role, while others say that overhunting by humans may have been the cause. The Leviathan. The Leviathan was a huge predatory whale that lived 34 to 14 million years ago. It had a massive head with enormous jaws full of razor-sharp teeth. The skull alone was about 6 feet long. The Leviathan was a member of the same group as today's dolphins and porpoises, but don't let that fool you. The Leviathan would have been at the top of the food chain, preying on anything smaller than itself. It was truly a giant of the ancient seas and remains one of the most ferocious whales that has ever existed. The Dactylurus. The Dactylurus was a carnivorous dinosaur that lived in what is now South America during the late Cretaceous period. The Plesiosaurus. The Plesiosaurus was a marine reptile that lived during the Mesozoic era. What do you think? Which of these sea monsters was the most terrifying? Let us know in the comments below.